Can you feel this a bit sore? Okay, good. 5, 3, 2, and 1. What about this one? Is it sore? A little bit. Very big one here. And we can turn the head to this side. And then the other way. Okay, then looking down again. We'll fix the big one here first. Okay, and breathe in, please. Yes, and breathe out. Turn the head to the left side. The other left. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna fix this one. Okay. Back up again. And looking down. And we turn the head this side one more time. Good. And then the other way. Cool. Okay. Okay, good. Down again. And then looking down with still pending, huh?
Yeah. We'll see, yeah. Waiting for TIFF essay. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go to Melbourne.
You prefer to stay here or you prefer to go to Melbourne?
Prefer to stay here actually, yeah.
Feel it equal on both sides. Okay, here is bigger, so let's do this one. If you go to Melbourne, you can keep your job. part of the knee. That one. Like you're driving a imaginary car. Right shoulder blade also blocked there. Let's do this. Let's check this side first. Shoulder blade first, then we'll check the wrist later, okay? So you can look down with the head. More fluffy. Okay. Squeeze again. Okay, let's recheck these ones. And then I'll have, because that will block the brain's communication to this one here. And then whenever you're using the walk, it'll overuse, then it cannot heal in time for your next shift here. Can we straighten? Okay, let's go back here. Now, if I pull down, am I hurting you here? No, huh?
No. Yeah.
Okay, good. Same position. So I'll give, and then we turn the fingers the other way. Good. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, I don't want it to be too painful, okay? I want it to, as long as you can feel a little bit is enough. Can you start to feel there already or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet, huh? Okay. Now, Ken?
Nope.
Oh, you have to go so far, huh?
Yeah,
So
yeah, I've been
far.
out, yeah.
Okay, sure, yeah. So, you can, if you can do just a stretch, is fine. 30 seconds, hold.
Yeah.
But if you can put some
Do I need
heat,
to like push here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So the most important is actually the finger go down, but then if you can't feel yet, then you have to turn out.
Oh, yeah.
If you turn the
This
other
part,
way,
right?
that's right. Yeah, that's right. So if you can put some heat also, like something hot on top here. Yeah, heat to get heat here to get some blood circulation there. But the most important is the position this way. If you can feel the stretch, about 30 seconds as often as you can. Just for this side, because you're quite flexible, so you could probably go quite far. I think. Yeah. Most people here they feel already, but in your case, I can see that you probably can't.